This is a blank screen in CMap Tools. You have the canvas here where you can draw your concept maps, and you have your style menu over here, which you can use to manipulate things like fonts, the objects, shape, color, the lines with or without arrowheads, style lines, and so on, and the CMap itself, backgrounds and stuff like that. But let's move back to the canvas. You see, if I double click, I create a concept. So let's do that. Now we have a concept here. Let's call it something. Customer. Now I prefer business objects like customers to be round, like that. I move it up here. Notice the little handle on top of the concept icon here. If I grab it and drag, I can write a new proposition like customer places order. And I can go on. What do you know about orders? Well, they have, an order has some order lines. Customers also have, for instance, customer number. Now customer number is not an object by itself, so I'll change it to a different shape, like this one, to tell readers that this is a property of the customer. It's not an object. Now, using the style menu, I can change whatever I want to change, like for instance this object, change color, could highlight it in yellow if there's something I want to signal using yellow. I can grab a group of objects, move them around. I can put little arrowheads on lines like that, which to me indicates that there can be many order lines on an order, and so on and so forth. This is the basic usage of CMap Tools. Once you're done, you simply save the CMap as my number 1 CMap, right? That's it.